socela sonke sisukume sifunde umlando ngoBavelile Hlongwa. May we all rise for the reading of the obituary. The obituary for the Deputy Minister of Mineral Resources and Energy, Comrade Bavelile Hlongwa. Bavelile Gloria Hlongwa, affectionately known as BV, was born on the 14th of April 1981 in Umlando, KwaZulu-Natal, to Bugani Manzuza Hlongwa and the late Mkholisi Hlongwa. She started her primary education at Ngazuka Primary School and completed her matric at Sihle High School in Umlando. Inspired by the quest for a brighter future, she enrolled with the University of KwaZulu-Natal, UKZN, where she obtained her Bachelor of Science degree, Chemical Engineering. At the time of her untimely passing, she was reading towards her master's degree in public administration at UKZN. Comrade BV's strong leadership acumen shone through a very early age when she assumed membership of the Congress of South African Students, COSAS. She subsequently joined ANC Youth League, SASCO, and the Student Christian Fellowship, SCF, on her first day at the University of KwaZulu-Natal. At the age of 18, she joined the African National Congress, the ANC, the African National Congress Women's League, the organization she served dearly and with distinction until her passing on. Comrade BV served in the UKZN Central SRC as Academic and Transformation Officer. In 2009, she became the first woman to be the president of the UKZN SRC. She was also the branch chairperson of the African National Congress Youth League in the same institution. Upon completion of her degree in 2011, she worked for the petroleum company Shell Oil Refinery as a graduate engineer, and in 2012, she moved to SAPREF as a production engineer. Between the years 2013 and 2015, she was appointed to the African National Congress Youth League Task Team in KwaZulu-Natal, a team that was mandated to revive the structures of the ANC Youth League across the province, and she led it to the Provincial Congress. In 2015, she was elected to the African National Congress Youth League Provincial Executive Committee. In the same year, she was elected to the National Executive Committee of the African National Congress and also served it in its National Working Committee. She also served as the treasurer of the South African Institute of Chemical Engineers in KwaZulu-Natal. In May 2017, she was appointed as the Executive Deputy Chairperson of the National Youth Development Agency, the NYDA, and this is where her national profile and influence grew into monumental proportions. In the same year, Comrade BV was elected Deputy President of the Convocation Executive Committee at UKZN. She served as a non-executive board member at Dubai Trade Port Corporation from 2017 to 2019, as well as a non-executive board member for National Meteorology Institute of South Africa from the year 2018 to the year 2019. Following the 2019 general elections, Comrade BV was sworn in as a member of Parliament of the National Assembly and was subsequently appointed the Deputy Minister of Mineral Resources and Energy. Comrade BV passed away on the 13th of September 2019. She is survived by her mother, Manzuza, 5 siblings, Bongumusa, Mzwakhe, Sthembiso, Lungisile, and Nobuthula, and 4 children, Lucky, Dandokazi, Sipokazi, and Fanele Sibonke. Comrade BV loved the African National Congress and was very passionate about the youth development, women emancipation, young women in particular, and the transformation of this country. She regarded herself an agent of change and a selfless servant of the people. She dedicated her entire adult life serving the people from all walks of life. This is attested by the fact that in her late hour, Comrade BV found her death helping the people. Lala ngoxolo Hlongwa, Gabisa, Ntumaseli, Shozi, Khawula, Mbasha, Gidela, wena wehla ngomzungulu wasala wabola. Sohlala sikukhumbula mntwana. Amandla.